Hello everyone, very good morning. I'm so happy to see you all after a long time. I'm seeing so many of my previous batch students. Thank you all for joining the session. We'll start the session. Okay. Okay, my voice is not clear. Okay, okay. Anyone can attend if you're from Java, .NET, Python, even from other tech stacks also, anyone can attend. This one, if you're a BTech passed out also, you can attend. The reason is what? So currently we want to discuss about what is the AI and how it is happening and what is the future of the .NET and what is the all these things we are going to discuss, right? That's the reason. Okay. Okay. Fine everyone. Hello everyone. Good morning. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you so much for joining, and I'm so happy to see you all from Naresh IT side and from my side also personally. So see, See now, so now the session is very simple. We are going to discuss about AI and ML combination with .NET. That is what the simple thing. Okay. See, nowadays you people are seeing outside the craze for AI is going high and high day by day, right? Do you guys agree with me for that? Even see recently, like I think currently also it's happening. We have some global AI summit happen in New Delhi, right? So yeah, so definitely that was one of the good summit was happened, and so many people came for that. All right, so we don't have invitation for that. That's the reason Naresh IT conducted one AML session for you all maybe. So I hope this is one of the opportunity to everyone. Okay. So now what we are going to discuss here, that's what we'll see now. Okay. So see here, everyone. See what is the future of what is the scope of or what is the future of IT and AI in India right now? That's what we will discuss now. Okay. So definitely what India is definitely a growing country. That's what we are hearing from what our childhood. And my father had that in his childhood, and I am also hearing from my childhood. Okay. But definitely I don't know about remaining parts or other parts about academy and all, but in IT, definitely India is growing. The reason I'm saying so, a few years back when USA was very much developed country. People used to say UK is very developed country. Australia, Canada, all these countries are developed countries. Sir, how you are saying means very simple. If you people wants to do your masters, you are going to what USA, you are going to use Australia, you are going to what UK and everything. Or else, so every person, whoever is working in IT, they will have a dream to work in on-site. So they always look for what on-site opportunities. Maybe they will earn more money, whatever it may be the reasons. But end of the day, everyone has what to dream to travel to other countries from their organizations, especially, right? So definitely, yes, that is definitely true. I definitely agreed for that. But the thing is here, see why they are developed means, see, IT started in India few years back, maybe 1990s or 1995. At that point of time, IT was grown little more compared to the previous years. But in USA, UK, everywhere, So by the time of 1990s or 1970s only, they have seen their peak. Okay, so that's the reason what. So complete USA revenue or UK revenue or some other countries' revenues, they are depending upon IT. Now later what happened? Later when IT started growing in India, then India, I told one point some minutes back, India is growing country in IT. That's what I was saying, right? 100% yes. The reason for saying that because India is giving tech leaders to the world. Do you guys agree with me for that? Of course, yes. Google CEO, he is from India. Microsoft CEO, he is from India. Adobe CEO, he is from India. And so many other companies, they are keeping Indians as their CEOs. Do you guys agree with me for that? See, when I say Accenture is the world number one service-based company. Okay. So world number one service-based company. But in India, for Accenture, we have so many people are working from here and TCS or Infosys. These are all what technical giants here. So see, most of the projects of Microsoft's are done by either Accenture, TCS, or Infosys, or this kind of companies. They are all what Indian-based companies. Okay, I'm not saying Accenture is from India, but yes. So, but most of the Microsoft client working people are from India only. Okay. Okay, so now that is what, but that's okay. But what is the role of AI? Okay, and what we are going to discuss about today's session? That's what I want to explain now. So very simple. I just want to clear what I want to discuss today. That's what I want to tell you all now. So the point number one, we'll discuss about what is AI. Okay, what is ML? Uh, what is .NET? Why we need AI and ML with .NET? Okay, and finally, three real-time projects. Okay. Yes, three real-time projects we are going to discuss. Okay. Now, what is that real-time projects? Okay, so nowadays when a movie ARDA function is happening, what they are doing, so in the ARDA functions are pre-release events, they are telling what, so our movies are not having much story, our movie is a pure comedy, our movie is this one, so our line of movie is this one, that one, because what? So because after going to that movie theater, people will disappoint and people will say what, it's a flop movie. The same way, I just want to give what we are going to discuss today. That's what I'm trying to tell. Say, when I say three real-time projects means, first one, chatbot. Second one, image generation. Third one, prediction project. Okay. So these three real-time projects we are going to discuss today's session. Okay. Now, so you people ask me, sir, what is the chatbot project? Okay. I just want to show the sample output of chatbot now, and after that, I will touch the main, AI related concepts, and we will discuss about everything. See, I want to show one chatbot project output. That's what I have done, but we will discuss about that project in and out. Okay. Okay. For now, online people, is my voice clear for everyone? Okay. Some people are saying low. Some people are saying echo. But most of the people are saying it's clear only. So if someone is facing issue, maybe there is some issue from their end only, it seems. Okay. Please check your RAD connection. Okay. So if I can see the chart, 90% of students are saying it's clear. Okay. Now see here. Let's see the output of this program. Okay. Now, see, I just say hi to this chatbot. Hello, how can I assist you? How are you? Okay, so let's see what it will tell. I'll explain, Srikanta. Okay, see what it is saying. I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings. Okay, just like that. See, I just hate this chatbot now. I'll say I hate you. Let's see what it will tell. I'm sorry to hear that you feel that way. Is there anything specific that I can do help improve our interaction? See, now I want to say something like, uh, what is Naresh IT courses? Okay, now see, I'm just thinking something else here. Naresh IT is a training institute that offers a wide range of courses in information technology. Okay, so you are getting output, right? And one more thing, guys, whatever you are seeing the response here, I'm not writing, I'm not hard coded these things. I'm getting these things from online only, just like your Google. Okay, Google or Chat GPT, whatever it may be. So if people want, just type something, I'm ready to copy paste there. Can you guys type something here? I'll copy paste there. Anyone? Okay. One of your friend asked what is the temperature now. Now what is the temperature now? Copy paste it. I'm sorry, I'm not able to provide real-time information such as current temperature. You can check the temperature by using weather app. Okay. Uh, so let's see. Okay. So how to become a full stack .NET developer? Huh? So Mastan Wali, the answer is very simple, Wali. You can join Naresh IT. See, to become a full stack .NET developer, you will need to have strong foundation in both front end and .NET development framework. Here is the some steps you can become. One, learn the basics of C Sharp. See, that's what it is saying. What your Vishwas are always say, the same thing it is saying. You have to learn C Sharp. After that, UI technologies. After that, you have to learn Angular. Okay. Uh, so who will be 2026 T20 World Cup champions? Huh? Whoever plays better, they will win. It cannot predict, I think. It's difficult to predict the future, but some of the top teams consider for the 2076 World Cup could include India, England, Australia. See, this Australia is eliminated, but this chart, but is not aware of it. Maybe ultimately, see that what that's what exactly. Ultimately, the team that performs the best on the day of the final will be champions. Okay, right. Okay, so this is how is this good one, guys? What you say? Is this a good looking one project? Okay, then if it is, if you are feeling, if you are feeling it's a good project, then in next 1 hour you are going to implement that on your own. Okay, that's my commitment to you all. This project we only implement. See here, here we implemented. This is from my local Visual Studio. I implemented normal .NET Core application. See, www root and all, home controller, chart controller, program.cs file. That's it. See, this is what I just implemented this one. And yeah, so this is the sample. just a sample. Okay, similar to that, we are going to discuss about image generation. Suppose if you give some text, based upon the text, it will create one image. And also predictions related things also there. So this is our agenda for today. Okay, this is our agenda for today. So those who have joined right now, we just started, what is the scope of AI? What is the IT future in AI, right? That's what we have. Okay, so that's what. Okay, see, guys, currently we started at 9:30. We'll end by 12 or 12:30, like that, based upon our, once we finish the three projects, I will stop the session whenever it is. If we finish in 1 hour, I will stop the session in 1 hour only. Okay. If it takes 2 hours, it will take 2 hours. If it is 3 hours, it is 3 hours. Okay. That is what. Is that clear for everyone? Okay. Now see here, everyone. Now, what is happening, like, India started little late, guys. So this IT related things. That's the reason what happened. Now, when the whole world is struggling with this recession and all, but still India is facing in a better way. That's what my feeling. If I introduce myself Vishwa, I have 11 years of work experience. Currently working as a technical lead in one of the organization. Okay, so I have 4 years with Accenture, 4 years with TCS. Currently, I'm working with one of the company as a technical lead. Okay, and my skill set like ASP.NET, MVC, Web API, .NET Core, Microsoft Azure, Azure DevOps, AngularJS, normal .NET related things. And I am a Microsoft certified .NET developer, and I have written some .NET books, and I used to follow the same. Coming to my teaching experience, I used to teach in Naresh IT from morning 7:30 to 10:15. I'm dealing with two classes here. I have around 6-7 years of teaching experience and almost 4 years with Naresh IT. Okay, so currently this session I just want to share. I have some certification with this AML with .NET Core also. Recently I have completed. So that's the reason I thought to share my knowledge with my students and also the people outside from Naresh IT. So that's the reason we have conducted this session. Okay. Now here, see, whenever see what India started IT late, but what India is thinking. Just give me a second, guys. Yes, I was on mute. Okay. So see, when I speak about AI and ML, what is happening, like, in AI, we are hearing so many things like generative AI. We are speaking about machine learning. We are speaking about open AI. We are speaking about so many AI related things. But what exactly required? Okay, what exactly required to learn AI, and what are the things we can implement by using .NET? That's what we will just see now. Okay. So some of the people ask me, sir, what are the prerequisites for learning this AI? So for them, I want to give the answer, best answer for that. See, we can implement by using Java, .NET, Python, etc. Okay, now what is the difference between Java, .NET, Python? That's what I will tell. So yes, of course. So here, I'm just speaking about technologies. What are different types of applications available in the world? Tell me, guys. First one, desktop applications. Yes. Second one, mobile applications. Okay. Web applications. Okay. Tell me, standalone application. Works without what? Internet. Okay. Client server applications. Example, banking applications. Similarly, cloud applications. And finally, gaming application. Okay. Do you guys agree for this? See, you have what? I think I gave the one of the most used things, desktop applications. What are the desktop applications like, Visual Studio, Notepad, Microsoft Edge? These kind of things are what? Desktop applications. What are mobile applications? Your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all these things are what? Mobile applications. What are web applications? Gmail.com, Facebook.com, Naukri.com. All these things are what? Different types of web applications. Standalone applications means they don't depend on anyone. Okay, works without internet. Example, Notepad only. So Notepad can work without internet. Do you guys agree with me for that? And client server applications. What is the client server? See, one person will be there. That is what client. So he will open HDFC internet banking in their mobile. Okay, he want to do some transaction. Now it will interact with what? Bank server. Okay. Now, once there's Paytm, Phone Pay, all these things, what will happen? So, client means what here? Paytm or Phone Pay. When you scan and transfer the money, so it will interact with what? Bank server and transaction will happen. So, that type of application. And cloud applications like what are the cloud applications? Azure, AWS, GCN, etc. Do you guys agree with me for that? These are different types of applications are available. Okay. Now, how can we implement these applications? Okay, okay, okay. Now see here, everyone. Okay, so this kind of applications we can implement by using these things. Now, you people may ask me, sir, what is the difference between Java, .NET, Python? Okay, so now see here, everyone. Java is a programming language. Okay, okay, and .NET, it is a framework. 100% correct, Subbu. Framework. Okay, which was created by whom? Microsoft. Product of what? Microsoft. Python. What is Python then? Okay. Now, do you people know what is Python exactly? Anyone? Online people? Anyone? Anyone have idea on it? Anyone have idea on it? Very good, very good. Vikas, Vamsi, Ajay. It's a language. Programming language. Very good. Excellent, excellent. Okay, but to be frank, that line also, that line also, you know, I'm not satisfied with that line. Actually, the difference between Java and .NET is, okay, see, .NET supports cross platform and supports multiple programming languages. Okay, do you know how many languages? 64. Okay, so that languages are divided into two types. One is Microsoft languages. The other one is third-party languages. Do people know what are Microsoft languages? C sharp, C, correct. J sharp, F sharp, etc. Okay. Yes, yes. Do people know what are the third-party languages? Python. Okay. Okay. So these are level languages, and this third party are 53. Okay. Now you people only tell me. You people only tell me. See, I don't know. Anyone from Python background here in this session? Anyone from Python background? Anyone? Anyone know Python? See, Python internally using what? Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, because it is one of the languages supported by what? Your .NET. That is the reason. That is the reason. You know, Python is also third-party language of .NET. Okay, okay. Is that clear for everyone? Now, see, by using Java, you can implement. But Java is a programming language. .NET is what? It's a framework which supports multiple languages. For Java, what will happen? Only one language, that is what Java only. But for .NET, it's not like that. You can go with what? Multiple options are there. See, when you want to buy a mobile for 10,000 rupees, what you will think? So you want to check the camera feature. You want to check the call feature. You want to check the battery backup. And you want to check so many other features. Okay, do you guys agree with me for that? The same way, whenever you want to implement some application or something, we always go for what? Multiple options. And that multiple options are given by our .NET. That's why .NET supports how many languages? 64 programming languages. Out of 64 programming languages, 11 languages introduced by Microsoft. And remaining 53 languages are are known as third-party languages. Python, Ruby on Rails, all these things belongs to that 53 only. COBOL.NET, Pascal.NET, all these things. Okay, okay. So is that clear for everyone? Is that clear for everyone up to now? Any question here? So now our ask is very simple now. Whenever you want to work with AI ML with .NET or this artificial intelligence with .NET or any technology, so you can for either Java, .NET or Python. Yeah, Ajay, tell me what is your doubt? You kept a question mark. See, Angular is not a programming language. It's a framework, JavaScript framework. It is using, maybe it is using TypeScript. Previously, it was using JavaScript libraries and all. So that is different. For front-end design, Angular, React, Node.js, that type of things we will use. Okay. So that is different and this is different. Okay. Okay. Is it clear for everyone up to here? Any questions? What question here? So I can see 100 messages here. So please type the message again if you have any doubt. What is your doubt, Ajay? No, I'm unable to see your message. So you can ask again, Ajay. Sorry for that. Because I so many people are there. 200 plus students join. Okay. So web applications are, straightforward. Normal applications like facebook.com, gmail.com, this kind of thing. What is this client and server means? Here two people needs to involve. Client means like Paytm or phone pay, that kind of application, and server means what, and some other website also will be there or some other server we need to interact. See, Paytm is different and HDFC bank is different. So when you want to recharge with some Airtel or something, then what will happen? First of all, you will select the operator as Airtel, then Airtel plans will display. Okay, you got it. So now what you will do later part of the day, later part, so you will go for the payment. When you are doing payment, what will happen? Paytm will receive the payment. From there, it will transfer the money to what? That particular, so it will connect with the bank like HDFC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, State Bank of India. So it will get the money from the bank, it will store here, and after that, it will send it to the main, whatever, Airtel or Jio or whatever it may be. So here, what is happening? Multiple parties are involved here. So these kind of applications are known as client server based applications. Got it, Ajay? Okay. Now, now, okay. So we'll discuss about it later. Okay, please. Let me continue with the AML for now. Okay. Okay. When we speak about AI and ML, when we speak about AI and ML, see, so many concepts are coming. So even in the beginning, for me also, I used to get so much confusion. What is this AI exactly? How many things we need to learn? Okay, so what exactly? Okay, see, we frequently used to hear about AI, ML, machine learning, AI, machine learning, AI agents. Okay, Gen AI. Okay, etc. Okay, now definitely, whenever you are seeing all these things, you peep, one common question will come in your mind. What exactly we need to learn? Do we need to learn AI, machine learning, or AI agents, or Gen AI? This is one of the frequent doubt will come into your mind frequently. That is the point number one. And second point or second question, do we need to learn all these things? Okay, that is the second question comes in your mind. And the third question is, how many things we need to learn here and what how to apply in our project. Okay. So these all the questions will come into your mind whenever you think about AI. Do you guys agree with me for that? So are you people heard about AI, machine learning, AI agents, Gen AI, everything? So are they all same? Okay. Do you got the doubt? So everything is same what? So in .NET we have C Sharp, VB.NET, Pascal.NET, F Sharp, J Sharp, everything we have. But what are they? What are they? So exactly see, uh, are they belongs to same category? Are they belongs to same thing? That is what so many people may have doubts in that. But let me give the clear picture of it. Once we are done with that, we will jump into the projects directly. Okay. Yes, correct. That is what that Aditya. So that confusion will definitely you will get the clarity after finishing our today's session for sure. That's what I can tell you. I can promise you. Okay. Okay. Now, anyone tell me what is AI? Don't tell me artificial intelligence. Tell me what is AI exactly? What AI is doing exactly? Okay, can I explain? AI is nothing but I hope you are not checking in chat GPT or somewhere and you are giving this answer. Online people. No, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just saying. So what is AI means you check in AI and you are giving answer for that. No, right? Okay, Virendra. So now what is AI means very simple. We will train computers or machines just to think like humans. Okay, just to think like humans. Okay, so that is exactly we are doing. So, so do you guys ever used AI in your life? If I ask that question, some people may say yes, and some people may say no. But I will say yes. You all used AI already. The best example for AI may be suppose if you are thinking about a good biryani. So if something came in your mind, I want to eat biryani today. Then open Facebook.com. Then in your Facebook, what will happen? It will show best biryani in cheaper price. Go to that Kumaryanti shop or Chagos, or it will show this Pista House, this one, that one. So many restaurants it will show. When you are thinking about biryani, how that is coming in your Facebook. So here it is reading your mind. So in our childhood, our parents or our grandparents used to tell what? So when you're speaking, you have to be careful because your walls will hear or your walls will listen. Some third eye is always watching you. That's what they'll tell. The third eye is your AI. So suppose the Siri Alexa, Siri call to ABCD, then it is calling. Siri, what is the temperature right now? Siri is giving an iPhone. Alexa, play that song. It is playing. Alexa, order something from Amazon. Alexa, order food from Zomato. Alexa, do something. Alexa, kill this person. Kill that person. How Alexa is working? Based upon your voice commands. That is one type of AI. I don't say that is exact AI, but they are using AI inside them. The Siri or Gemini, whatever it may be. Okay. So suppose if you think about .NET courses, if you think about AI ML now, so your whole day today, whenever you open Facebook.com or YouTube or something, you will see about only AI related courses on your Facebook wall or Instagram everywhere. The reason what? They are reading your mind, guys. That's what exactly happening. And the most important thing I'll tell you all. So when you walk for 1 kilometer, so who is counting your step count? But in your phone, it is showing what? So you walked for 100 steps today. You need to walk for this much target, that much target. How that is? That is calculating your step count. That is also AI, right? So now, knowingly or unknowingly, we are all using AI in our real life. Do you guys agree with me for that? Yes or no? So that is definitely happening. Okay. See, if you are using for good purpose or bad purpose. So suppose in that Robo movie, say that I forgot his name, Rajnikant's name. What is that? Vashikara? What is his name in Robo movie? Rajnikant's name? Vasikaran. So that Vasikaran used for good purpose. He designed a robo for good purpose. And that villain, I don't know, I don't remember his name, but he is used for what? Illegal activities, terrorist activities and all. See, when you are using for a good purpose, that is definitely helpful to the world. But if you are using for bad, see, suppose by using AI, if you want to monitor terrorist acts, that's a good thing. But if you want to perform some terrorist activities by using AI, that means what will happen? So that is what technology nowadays growing. So we have to use the technology for good purpose, or else it will kill us only one fine day. Right? Do you guys agree with me for that? Okay. So AI can be applied everywhere in the world, like medical, X-rays, CT scans, everything. Okay. So this AI can be applied. Like medical, education. Okay. Okay. Food delivery apps. Okay, food delivery apps, banking, banking, car driving. Of course, car driving. Now, what is happening nowadays in the Tesla design one car? Without human, we can drive that car. Do people know about it? Yes or no? So the reason is what? Yes, automate cars or something. They are all definitely what? All these things are definitely they're using this AI technologies. Okay, so these people are going to space now. This Chandrayaan, this one, that one, and all. How we are implementing everything now? Everything is depending upon AI. Okay, everything is depending upon AI. Okay, now see, but uh, say in this session, anyone having anyone having you know 6 7 years of work experience in IT, just say yes or no. Okay, Okay. So good to see the experienced people here. Guys, one point I can tell you all, what was the best AI we have used is Google. Do you guys agree with me for that? Now in Google, if you open Google here, now see .NET 10 features. Okay, you are getting like this, right? Open ChatGPT. .NET 10 features. See, this is also giving what? See, the same way how you are getting here output, the same way you are getting the output. But what is the best thing with AI is here you are getting the proper answers, 100% matching answers to your question with a better way of understanding or better way of explanation of the courses and all. That's what I always observed. So if you are a senior person with some 10 years experience, 5 years or 6 years experience, so in our early stage of career, for every issue we used to depend on Google only. Google used to give so many features, or Stack Overflow, code related things, or so many things we used to get. So we used to get from the Google, or so .NET 10 not working. If we say like this, see this Microsoft documentation. Okay, this see Stack Overflow. Now the same question, if you ask in here, trust me, your answer will definitely match with the Stack Overflow. Whatever this answer they told will match with the Chat GPT. The reason is Chat GPT is also internally referring Google only. Maybe. Okay, maybe the person who implemented AI, they have taken the reference from Google only, or they have taken the reference from Yahoo, or they have taken the reference from Internet Explorer or Edge browser or something. From there only this AI born, for sure. But what happened? They made it so beautiful, and they are giving what straightforward answers. So when I want to implement some project, for using .NET. See, FR means what? Face recognition. See here, it is giving everything. Every information is giving. Okay, what does it mean? So they made it so beautiful and easy to understand the courses. So that's how this AI came into the picture. This AI came into the picture. Okay. So now when I speak a few minutes back, when I spoke about, so uh, we were speaking about what? AI, machine learning, AI agents, Gen AI. So let's discuss about in detail about them. What is machine learning? What is the difference between AI and machine learning? What is AI agents? What is Gen AI? We will discuss about them, and after that, we will jump into the projects explanation. Okay. Okay. So what is AI means? It runs based on okay rule based systems. Okay. AI mostly runs with predefined rules. Okay, the best example is Swiggy. Okay, the best example is what? Swiggy. 1 second, guys. I'll be on mute. Okay, so Swiggy. Now, whenever you want to interact with that Swiggy chatbot, okay, a Swiggy chatbot, what will happen? What is order status? Okay, what is refund status? Okay, or else my order is taking so long to deliver. Okay, do you guys seen these things frequently? Very simple. This is using what? Rule based means we have some predefined rules defined. That is exactly AI. So that's what I told. What is AI, guys? Here I told what? We will train computer or machines to think like human. Okay? To think like humans. Here, the Swiggy app, what we trained here, what is order status? What is refund status? Why my order is taking so long time? Suppose if you type something else, then what will happen? It will somehow bring you to here only. Yesterday, yesterday I got a call from one of the bank for loan. So it's a chat, it's a AI voice actually, AI generated voice. Okay, okay, AI generated voice. So it was asking, hello Vishwa, we found you like our loan records. We see you are a good customer. We want to give you a loan to you. Please say yes or no. If I say no, then it will say, we record your response. If you need that in future, please let us know. Press 1 for calling us back, press 2 for do something. What is happening there? They trained that AI to speak in that way. If user is pressing 1, they are motivating that AI to what? To behave like this. If user is pressing second option, then they are giving what? Different input for that. So that is exactly happening. Even Swiggy, Zomato, all these things, what they are doing, see whatever question you are typing, they will try to bring you for these three questions only. What is the order status? What is the refund status? Why my order is taking so longer? Cancel my order. This type of commands, because they have trained their chat bot to behave like that only. Okay, behave like that only. Now this is different, but little more advanced to AI is machine learning. Okay. Okay. Here, here, ML is modern from AI. Okay. Modern from AI. Okay. We don't define rules here. Okay. Instead of that, it will, it will learn itself by its own. Okay. learn itself by its own thing. Okay. What I want to say here is we don't refine rules here. So previously, what happened? Some predefined template was there. We were using that every time. Okay, but here we don't define any rules here. Instead of that, see, suppose you are watching a cricket match. Suppose today we have India versus South Africa match. Here, what is the average score means? What they will take? How they will tell? You people tell me. They will just check the last 10 matches average. Okay, IPL matches average. Based upon that, see, from my childhood, I am watching cricket. 90% of times, it always matches the average score. See, suppose if they say 200 batting pitch means it will cross more than 200. If it is a bowling pitch, 130, 120, 140, 150. See, if someone like Ishan Kishan or Abhishek Sharma is playing more aggressively, maybe it make in bowling pitch also we may cross 200 to 220. But very rare. That's why I said what 90%. Okay. Okay. So now, then what will happen? Based upon the previous matches data, it will automatically give. So how it is coming means machine learning. Okay. What is machine learning means? Based upon the data. Okay. Suppose I'll tell you one beautiful example. In our childhood, we used to go to movie with our parents, like your father, mother, your brother, sister, someone. So I don't know about you people, but see nowadays, even a 5 year, 4 year kid also using phone. So they were what attracted toward that, and say without mobile phone, they are not eating nowadays. So even these parents also, what they are thinking, okay, if I give the phone, they will eat. Okay, so that's what everyone is thinking. Do you guys agree with me? But in our childhood, whenever we are going for a movie, my mother used to tell me, see, he is Chiranjeevi, he is Balkrishna, he is Nagarjuna. Okay, they used to tell us. If my mother told me he's Chiranjeevi, after 15 minutes, if Chiranjeevi comes again, then I will ask my mother, who is he? Then she will tell me. So 5 minutes back only I told you, right? He is Chiranjeevi. Now she used to tell like that, but after so at the age of 4 years she used to tell. But whenever you reach to 7 years or something, because of your mother and father was keep telling you Chiranjeevi, 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 Balkrishna, Mahesh, Prabhash, Prabhash, or Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan or something. Then that Chiranjeevi face was recognized in your brain. Whenever you see him after 7 8 years after years, you only started telling, oh, he is Chiranjeevi, he is Balkrishna. So that is because of data that was stored in your brain. So just like a prediction. Okay. So previously I was telling, right, for cricket match, how the score is predicted based upon the previous matches. That that will happen. That is the best example for machine learning. Okay. Machine learning. So this machine learning is two types. Okay. The first one is statistical machine learning. Second one is deep learning. Okay. Statistical machine learning, and second one is what? Deep learning. Okay. Now, uh, so now in our intermediate plus two, 11th class and 12th standard, you people definitely learned two concepts. In mathematics, I think 2A and 1A. One is probability and one is permutations and combinations. Do you guys remember that? Okay. So now finally they we will use them in this machine learning, guys. So finally, so I always think like why we learned that trigonometry, why we learned that matrix, why we learned that permutation combination, all these things we learned, right? So that exactly the same thing we will use in statistical machine learning. Okay. It uses mathematics and statistics, statistics to help machines to learn patterns for making predictions. Okay. Okay. Is it clear for everyone up to here? Any questions? Anyone have any question, doubts? Okay. See, now let me just revision for 2 minutes. Okay, please listen carefully. Let me have a revision for 2 minutes. See, what is AI means we frequently used to hear about AI. What is that? AI, machine learning, AI agents, Gen AI. So now we are discussing what is exactly AI, what is machine learning, what is AI agents, and we are also going to discuss about Gen AI. What is AI? Simple. You will train the machines. You will train the machines. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. I'm unable to see the names. Okay. Aditya. Yes, 100% Aditya in project, right? So whatever we discussed now, everything is used in our projects. Okay. Practically, I will explain. Don't worry on it. Okay. Now see here, everyone. What exactly AI and ML means? We frequently hear about AI, machine learning, AI agents, and Gen AI. What exactly all of them? That's what we are learning. So what is AI means? We will train the computers like Swiggy. Just just we will train them just to think like human beings. Suppose when you message like what is your order status, what is your something, so they are what this eight chatbots only, they are behaving like that. Okay. So they're training. So what they kept some predefined messages, some 6 or 7 messages are there. That 7 messages only it will respond. If you type some eighth message, it won't reply you. Or if you type some out of scope message, it won't respond to you. Okay. Because what is the reason for that? AI is nothing but we will train computers or machines to think like humans. Because we have trained them for only that 7 questions or 8 questions. So if you people remember, uh, okay, so guys, if you have any question, please ask in the chat only. If you raise the hand or if you write in the Q&A, question and answers, I cannot see them. So please please ask in the chat. Okay, it's my sincere request to everyone. Okay, okay, is that clear? Now what is happening here? So this AI runs based upon rule-based systems. What is the rule base? you will define rules. See, whenever user is asking this question, please answer like this only. Whenever user is asking some question, answer this way only. Whenever user is asking out of question from your area, just respond like you are a chatbot or something. Then user will change the question. That's what they will train. They are training it. Okay. See, in Naresh IT, like institutes or some companies, what they will do, whenever they are giving training to you, what they will train you, Java means they will train only on Java. Python means only on Python. C sharp means only on C sharp. But when you join for C sharp course, they definitely don't train you for Java, right? They don't definitely train for you Python, right? Because what? So that is definitely rule based. What is rule based? Some specific rules will be there or some specific checklist will be there. They always try to match that checklist only. They don't go out of that region. Is that clear? That is exactly happening. Okay. So this is exactly AI. What is AI means? Very simple. Rule based. What is that? Rule based systems. What is that? Rule based systems. AI mostly runs with the predefined rules. Now, second one, machine learning. So here we will not train the machines. But what machines will do, we will give some dummy data. Dummy data will give. What will happen like, that based upon the data, it will make the predictions. Suppose if a cricket match is happening, what is the predicted score in that ground? How we are getting means maybe machine learning. Okay, so if something is happening, so if India versus Bangladesh match is happening, then it will predict based upon the previous matches, the win percentage. Okay, India will win or Australia will win or something like that. Okay, so previously in our beginning stage of our session, I have explained the chartbot explanation. That time, what happened? Who are going to win this World Cup means it is saying what? India, Australia, South Africa, England. But Australia is eliminated. How it predicted? Based upon the based upon the 100% based upon the previous matches or previous World Cups. Okay, so that is how it is predicting. So how it is happening means by using one concept called statistical machine learning. What is statistical machine learning? Okay, okay. Srikanth will discuss about it. Okay, I'll explain. So it uses mathematics and statistics to help machine to learn patterns for making predictions. Okay, I'll tell you something. I'll tell you example. I'll give you something. Input SHAPE shape equals to round or oval. Okay, round. Color equals to red. Okay. Now my label, that is what my output here. What it will do, so based upon the shape, round shape and red in color. So which fruit, can you people guess what is the fruit name? Above. Subbu, I don't know how you told, but that is perfect. So how you people are saying? Apple? Apple. Right. That is the right answer. Okay. Only apple red in color. Huh? No, not sure. Okay. So now second one. Shape is oval. Color is yellow. Now tell me. Mango. Mango, guys. It's mango. Okay. So see. Okay. See, 100%. Now what we will do based upon data only, it will give you. But the drawback with statistical machine learning is It is not 100% accurate. Okay. It will give the predictions only, but not 100% accurate results. The best example, if you people remember, while using the chatbot that time, what it is saying, no, it mentioned a special note by saying on the match day, whoever plays a better game, they are going to win. That's what it told. See, if so, in one of the World Cup 2007 or something, India lost to. So India was the favorites, hard favorites that time. But India lost to Bangladesh, and India was eliminated in group stage only. Okay, but so many people predicted like India will reach to semi-final or India will reach to final. That's how they all predicted. But but what happened there? Sometimes predictions will not 100% correct every time. Okay, even the statistical machine learning is not 100% accurate. Okay, because what? It is a prediction. The name itself a prediction. Okay, so that is what machine learning. But AI is what? 100% it is correct always. Because whatever you trained, based upon that only it will work. Okay, but machine learning is doing predictions, and that is not 100% correct with the statistical. Now the second one is that is more accurate. I'll tell you why it is. So, and one more thing, see here, some people are saying mango, some people are saying lemon, some people are saying star fruit, some people are saying some other things. Because what? That is, there is a possibility, but high possibilities for what? Mango. Okay, deep learning, it uses neural networks. Okay, okay. See, deep learning, it uses neural network. Example, image classification, speech recognition, etc. Okay, language translation, etc. Okay. So some people are asking, this is just a 3 hours workshop, right? Naresh IT is starting a new batch from tomorrow. This is by myself only. I will be the training. I will be the trainer for that from morning 7:30 to 9 a.m. Okay. This is a complete full stack course with A and ML, C Sharp, ASP.NET Core, MVC Core 10, AWS.NET, LinkU, Entity Framework, SQL Server, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, React.js. Okay, this AML related features with complete .NET Core full stack. Okay, so we are starting a new session tomorrow. If someone is interested, definitely you can enroll to that session tomorrow morning. What is that? 7:30 a.m. See? Okay, so some people asked me, right, sir, when is your session going to start or something? Saurabh Kumar, we will discuss that in tomorrow session. Okay. For today's session is 100% free of cost. Okay. Okay. So Nikhil, if you wait for 15 minutes, Nikhil, I'll prove uh, I'll prove something with your with some output analysis and example. Definitely, I'll prove your question. Okay, if you give me. So he's asking one question, sir. Most AI libraries and POH projects are using Python. So how .NET is good for AI? That's what you are asking. But definitely, I'll answer to your question, Nikhil. Please give me some time. Okay, so guys, in 10 minutes, we are going to start the project. Okay, please wait for 15 minutes. Okay, I'll start the project. So yes, so if you are so in part of my session, I will definitely I'm going to include AI and ML related features along with my normal regular sessions. So if you are part of my session, that's what I can promise you, Rajkumar. If you're not from my session, I cannot promise you for that. That changes from what person to person, right? That is why. Okay, this is what. If you people are interested, I'm just sharing this image in the chat. Or else, you can go through our Naresh IT portal website. There also you have information. You can enroll to that course. Okay. Oh no, I have shared with, I'm supposed to share with everyone, right? Sorry. Okay, so you can have it there. Okay. Now see here, everyone. That is done. Okay, now here, everyone. Now image classification, speech recognition, language translation, all these things can be done using this neural networks. Okay. Now here, everyone. What is the difference between deep learning and statistical learning means? Here we'll keep only few clues, and here we will give only few input related things. But in deep learning, we will give large amount of data. Okay, we will give almost 1 lakh samples. Whenever you see that sample, it will always recognize if it is a mango means mango only. Even weight and the structure of the mango and what is inside that mango, everything they will give. So whenever you go with deep learning, you know, more accurate results will come here. Okay. Now the next one is Gen AI. Okay. See what Gen AI means. It is used to Gen AI is nothing but what? Generative AI. It is used to generate new data from machines. What is that new data means? First one, text. Second one, images. Third one, music. Fourth one, videos, etc. See, sometimes if you people remember, we have seen some AI videos. Narendra Modi is singing a Telugu song, Hindi song, something like that. So as it is, the voice matches. Do you guys ever seen those that type of things? Yes, no, online. And sometimes what will happen? These people are modifying the images. What they are doing? So with some heroines, some other hero photos, they are merging. They are manipulating it, and you are getting what? Perfect output for that. And also nowadays, Gen AI is used in movies also. Sometimes what they are saying, if the hero is not going, also they are editing with the AI. Do you guys know about it? That is what your videos and all. Okay. Now, finally, ultimately, what is the most used means this journey is one of the most used one from journey again. What we implemented like Chat GPT, Gemini, okay, and so on, etc. So all this Chat GPT and all these things, they all came from this GenAI only. So what is GenAI means everything. If you search something in Chat GPT here, it is giving what? What is temperature? It will give you the output. Okay. Images of you know Naresh IT. Okay. See, Naresh IT images are coming. Okay. Videos of you know Rajnikant. It is giving. See, it is giving. Okay. Now, GenAI is responsible for what? Text creation. What is text here? See, this is all text only. Okay. Now, images generation. What happened? See, these are images of Naresh IT. Music. See, Modi AI songs. See, it will generate the, see, all these things. Okay. Okay. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I'm not creating. I'm just trying to show the response, Aditya. Okay. Now, this Gen AI is doing everything. Just thing Gen AI where we use means Chat GPT and Gemini, etc. Okay. Is that clear for everyone? Yes, that's the perfect question, Saurabh. Okay. See, now that's what we have some open AI related frameworks. That AI related frameworks, what they will do, you have to take the subscription. Suppose you have a Netflix subscription. What will happen there? Whenever you use the Netflix, you have to pay some money for that. Then what will happen? It will give you some subscription for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or 6 months. Do you guys agree with me for that? So the same way you have to pay some amount for you have to buy that OpenAI framework or something. Okay. Now whenever you open this OpenAI, we have to buy the we have to buy you know the key for some cost. By using that, we will implement the features. Now let me show our project one. That is what chatbot implementation. Devendra Das, I'll explain. Please wait for a few minutes. I'll explain how to generate keys and everything. Okay. See now chatbot implementation. Okay. So now currently, what is trending in .NET? .NET Core? Yes or no? 100%. By using .NET Core, I want to implement a chatbot. Okay. See, I have prepared a documentation for that. I prepared a documentation for that. I'll share the document to you all. See, whatever we have discussed right now, same thing I have documented here. See, what are the different types of application, how to implement them, what is .NET, how many languages supported by .NET, what are third-party languages, what is AI, what is a just trained machines, what is machine learning, predictions. Okay. Now, how to implement AI and ML together. That's what I have explained. Okay, now AI image generator and all these things I have explained. This code I'll just copy from the book only, because for writing this code it will take so much time. That's the reason I don't want to write the code, because it will take 5-6 hours to finish the typing. That's the reason I don't want to do that. That's why we have implemented one project called Chatbot. A chatbot. Okay, so see the real session started now only, because whatever the theory I have explained till now, that is nothing. Okay. Okay. Just what is AI and overview of AI only we have explained till now. Now, whatever we are going to discuss now, that is the most important part now. Okay. Now, I will show the project creation steps, but I'll take the code from this book only, because I don't want to waste the time. Okay. I'll explain each and every part of the code now. Okay. First here, everyone. So this particular application, I'm creating a project from the scratch. Now, everyone, if someone don't know how to create a project, here, create a new project. Here, web application. What we are learning now? ASP.NET Core, web app, model view controller. Click on next. Give some name, whatever the name you want to give. A, B, C, D, your name. So, AI chatbot. Okay. Now click on next. Now, what is the version of .NET Core you want to select? It's up to you. I'm selecting 9.0, which is latest in my computer, but 10.0 is the latest. Now, don't touch anything else. Just click on create. Okay. Okay. Any questions up to here on project creation? Anyone? Everyone? Any questions? Yes, I'll give. I will give. Shubham, admin Shubham, I think you joined the session, right? So can we share this document, or Naresh IT will share? Shubham, if you don't mind. Ajay, I'll explain. I'll explain. Okay. I'm just 1 second. I'll take confirmation on that document. See, if someone is interested in the document, you can directly mail Naresh IT, support at the rate nareshit.com. They will give you that. Okay, so see, okay, so if people want me to show the how to create a project, so guys, please listen carefully. I started explaining the project explanation. If you leave the session now, you don't understand anything, and there is no use for attending the session for 2 hours almost now. So listen carefully. So someone is asking, Sham Sundar, you want me to show how to create a project one more time? Saurabh, seen for me, Naresh IT is the most important thing. Just you can call Naresh IT. So 1 second, Naresh IT email ID I'll give you. You can definitely ask them. Definitely they will give. Okay. Um, Mahesh or someone. So what is the Naresh IT website we follow? Support at the rate nareshit.com. Can someone tell me what is the ID? Some Naresh IT online admin. Contact. Okay, okay. This one. See, this is you can just say online people. If someone is interested in this book, you can just mail that. It's free of cost only. Naresh IT won't charge anything for that. Okay, just say I need the book of Vishwas are shared in the session. They will give it. I will share with them. Okay, don't worry. I will share the document. You can get it. You can get from Naresh IT. I already spoke with our Naresh IT, one of the sir, and he told, sir, we will share. We will take care of it because see, in the chat, it may not reach to everyone, but they can share with you people. Okay, yeah. So now see here, everyone. So please listen carefully how to create a project. On a fast forward mode, I'm explaining how to create a project. Please concentrate here. Now click on Visual Studio, create new project. Here, search for web application. See here, this one. Okay. See here, what is this? ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. Now click on Next. See here, project name. Whatever you want to give, you can give A, B, C, D, your name, my name, Naresh IT. See, Naresh IT, Chatbot. Now click on Next. Now click on Create. Okay. Uh, so step one, create a project. Okay, but in the PDF, I clearly mentioned the steps here. Step one, this one. Okay. Step two, controller code. Okay. Step three, HTML code. Okay. Now step one. Step one. Bhanu Pratap, you don't need to check anything. Just leave like that. Okay. Whatever the default values are coming, just leave like that. Now, online people, everyone's here. This is how the page will come. Now, right click on controller folder, add. See now, see here in our book, what is there? Install NuGet package. See, for everything, when you are working in C language, Whenever you work with a C language, then what is important there? You always need to have library files like hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, like that, right? The same way, you need to install NuGet packages. Now see here, how to install. See now, just copy the project name. So in your book, if you people see here, you need to run these two commands. First one, cd space project name. Now see here in this window, package manager console, mostly you will get automatically here. If you are not getting, go to tools, NuGet package manager console. See this one. If someone want, you can take a screenshot of it. If someone don't know, see here, you have to click on it. Now, what you need to do? What you need to do? Here after PM, cd space project name. What is the project name I gave? Naresh IT Chatbot. Press enter. Okay. Now after that, copy this one, this line. Install package OpenAI. Currently, we have so many AI related tools. OpenAI or some other things are there. But OpenAI is the one of the most used one in the world. That is the ChatGPT official AI platform. Now copy this one. Now paste here. Press enter. Santosh, you can join tomorrow session 7:30 to 9 a.m. tomorrow morning Indian timing. You can join that. You can also visit the Naresh IT portal. See, if you open Naresh IT in Google, sorry, Naresh IT. See this one, code schedule. Okay, if you come down, see what is this .NET, right? N18net. See, C# .NET, Mr. Vishwa, 23rd February means tomorrow 7:30 a.m. Okay. K. Santosh, for you, this is the answer. Okay. See here, this is what .NET and with full stack. This is the classroom timing for tomorrow. Okay. Now see here, that's okay. Now this is how you have to install. Any question up to here? This installation, everyone. You need to do two things here. What is that? See, this one. CD space project name. After that, install package OpenAI. Okay. Okay. Is that clear for everyone? Anyone have any doubt in this? So that I will explain one more time. Anyone have any doubt? Please confirm. I need to move into the explanation. Okay. Now See here, my 9 a.m. batch students try to understand this. If you have questions also, no problem. I'll explain to you people in our regular sessions one more time because for you people .NET Core is not completed. And now step one. Did we finish the step one now, everyone? Please here. Did we finish that? Did we finish the step one? Yes, sir. Yes. Now step two. What is step two? Controller code. Controller. What controller you want to create? It's up to you. Okay. Now go to Visual Studio, Solution Explorer, Controller, Add Controller, MVC controller empty. Okay. Now give some valid name, whatever the name it may be. Your name, my name, ABCD. Just say add. Okay. Done. Now we need to write the logic now. That logic I already kept in our book. I'll take it from our book only for now because we don't have time to finish that. That's why I'm just taking from our book only. Okay. Which one, Akash? How to create this file, Akash? Uh, Pranam, Pranam, no, you cannot get that from NuGet packages because it's not a official Microsoft product. That's the reason you cannot. Akash, see Akash, I created a controller, right? Right click, add controller. After creating that, this particular controller class got created. Okay. Okay. Banu, I will explain. Give me some time. Okay. So this is how. Now in our book, what is the third step? HTML code. Okay. HTML code. Now see HTML. What is this one? Model view controller. Now we created a controller. Same way we need to create a view right here. Create a view here. How to create a view? Right click, add view. Rajar view empty. Click on add. Now what name you want to give? It's up to you. ABCD, your name, my name. Click on add. Now see, I just kept two things here. One is input type equal to text box and input type equal to button. Submit. Right? Now, you people know in route config file, we have to change the routing, right? For .NET Core, the routing will present in program.cs file. Just paste here. Okay. Now, the most important part, in order to work with this, I am using one AI platform, that is what OpenAI. Yes, OpenAI is not for free of cost. Currently, whatever I kept in the book, you can use it for now. Whatever I kept in the book, because I already paid the amount, use it. After 10 days, I will delete that key. Okay, after 10 days, I will delete the key. I have paid from my own amount. See, how to open that? So this is the URL. See, currently, I have taken some subscription of OpenAI. Okay, just a second. I got OTP for that. Uh, Please don't hack my account. Okay. 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 So see here. Now, see, I have paid, you know, some a few some $5. $5 minimum is $5. Okay. Dollar price is almost what, 90 rupees or something. Some 500 rupees, including GST or something. I paid some 500 rupees. See, you can see here billing history. See, I paid $6. What is $6? 6 into 90 rupees, 540 rupees. Okay. It's Nikhil. Yes, correct. What is the two comments? Here I already mentioned. Okay. So now see, now limits. I can also keep the limits and all. See, okay. Now here keys will be there. See, I have only one active key. So I can delete it. Yes, I will delete. I will delete after 1 week from today. By February 28th, I will delete it. So if you people want, you can practice by this time only. Later, it key won't work anymore. This key you will get from the book only. In the book only, I mentioned that key already. Or else you can try your own keys if you have something. Okay. Is that clear? But please don't misuse, don't share with other people, because whenever we reach the limit, it won't work anymore. Now, okay. Yeah, then you can use Gemini. Now see here, I just pasted the key value key here. Hemant, that's what I told, right? You have to mail support@nareshit.com. Support@nareshit.com. NareshIT will share the book. It's not like for every API call, Kishore. Okay, so for some APIs it will. Cost is involved, not for everything. Now see, now I'll just keep, one breakpoint here. Now let me run the code. We'll directly get the output. Okay. Guys, here. Now you got the output here. See, let me close my A. Where is that coming? Is it running? Okay, so see here, it's running now. Now I'm trying to use hi, send. Now see, what is user message we typed? See, hi is coming here. Okay, if user message is empty, then I'm throwing one error. Message cannot be empty. Okay, if key is invalid or key is not there, from where my key is coming? From here. Key is coming from here. Okay, key cannot be empty. Okay, now I am trying to connect with the this HTTP client. That is what? That is what? OpenAI. I am trying to connect with the OpenAI by passing the key. If my key is valid, then I am connecting to GPT 3.5. Okay, Turbo. Okay, so this is developed by OpenAI of the OpenAI model. So see, iPhone is using what? iOS. Android is normal smartphones are using what? Android. And this OpenAI, they have implemented GPT iPhone 3.5 Turbo. That's the model and version. Okay, so now see here, user message. What is the user message I sent? Hi. That's what you are sending to this API. Okay, now after sending that, whatever the OpenAI you have used here, by using this OpenAI, if you guys remember what we discussed here, AI is rule-based systems. AI mostly runs with what? Predefined rules. AI nothing but we will train computer or machines to think like humans. Now, when I typed I message here, we trained, we means OpenAI trained this particular this particular thing how to respond to user inputs. That's what we have trained. See, that's the reason openai.com/charts slash completions. Now, in that website officially, see, this is what the OpenAI website. See, this is what platform.openai.com. Okay, the same thing I am using here. OpenAI api.openai.com. This is their official website. Now you are just sending, and after that, it is posting some response. That response you are just you know binding to what? Your view. What is the view name here? Index.cshtml. See, index.cshtml. That's what I'm trying to send here. And finally, see what I'm trying to do. Some of your friend asked me in the beginning, Vishwa sir, only the recent conversation is coming because in my preference I kept please print only one message that is what the recent conversation. If we say 2, 3, 4, 5, then what will happen? Last three conversations will show. Okay. Now just continue here. Disable breakpoints for now. Now check the output. Okay, maybe hi, send. Okay, let me run again. Okay, now let's see. Say hi. Hello, how can I assist you today? What is latest T20 World Cup update? Okay, and see, oh my God, 2026 update. See, oh my God, this is giving wrong here. Okay, how are you? Okay, see, this is what. Okay, so now finally, what is happening? So you're asking HTML syntax for hello world. Yes. See, it is coming. Random. Is that clear? Okay. So this is what. Yes. Any questions? Any questions? Any doubts? No offline. 100% no offline, Haman. The reason is, right? We need to connect with what? OpenAI, right? OpenAI, right? So for connecting that, definitely we need internet, right? Without internet, we cannot implement that. Sir, here it is directly connecting with OpenAI site, and from there it is getting response and showing in view page, right? 100% correct, Srikanth. Now, see, now can you please help me understanding the source code one more time? Okay, okay. So now everyone, maybe see Devendra Das, very simple. They did not find that message. Maybe they did not update it recently. That's the reason. Pranam. So yes, I have tried Hugging Face AI model, but it was not working. Okay. Uh, so see, that's the reason I went with OpenAI. OpenAI is the most recommended one. It's a chat GPT, official AI. So chat GPT is also using OpenAI only. Okay. So now can I explain the code, everyone? So session will take 20 minutes more. Is that fine for everyone? If everyone is fine, then I'll go slow. Sir, we want make it fast means I'll finish in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I'll end the session. Everyone. Srikanth, you have to ask me in the chat only, Srikanth, because you know, we need to discuss two more projects. Only few people are responding. My students, those people are not responding. You guys bored my voice, maybe. I'm s- so I'm so happy 200 plus students. Maybe on an average, 220 to 250 students joined here. I'm so happy for that. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now, okay. Cool. Okay. Now see here, guys. See here. Okay, Raghav, fine. So now see here everyone. Here everyone. See, now I'll go for the steps. What I done. After that, I'll explain the code one more time. You people only tell me step one. Create MVC core project. Step two. Create MVC controller. Step three. Install OpenAI packages. Right? Step four. Step four. Finish controller code. Step five. Finish HTML code. We used OpenAI. We need to keep OpenAI key in the code. Right? Do you guys agree with me? Any other points we have done here? Yes or no? See, I created a, first of all, I ran these two commands. Okay. After that, I created a controller, this controller. After that, I implemented this code. After that, I implemented HTML code. That's it. And I placed subscription key. Okay. This is what we have done till now. Right. That's what I told. Uh, Key you can use for free only because I already paid, right? That's why. Everything you can do, Ajay. Okay. No, no, no. See, you are not sharing any data with OpenAI. You are taking help of OpenAI AI for displaying the output, nothing else. Okay, guys, let me move into the code explanation because maybe question and answers in the last, I will have the session for that. Okay. Now here everyone. See what I have implemented here. Here everyone, I created two action methods. Action method one for view, action method two for the post HTTP post, that is for response method. Okay. Now here I used try catch mechanism to handle the exceptions well. Okay. Now here I'm using this line to send this to, I'm preparing a request body, whatever the user input is coming. After that, I'm sending it to, OpenAI. Okay. Here, this particular line, JSON serializer that's serialize. Okay. This converts C# object into a JSON string. Suppose I have input like name equal to something, comma, age equal to some 30. Okay. Now this line will convert this into name equals to John, comma, age 30. See, you guys can clearly observe the difference between this and this one. See, this one is what equals to is coming. This is removed and changed into what? JSON string. That's what it is doing. Okay. Now, whatever the response you are getting, that is generated by these two lines. Okay, these two lines are generating the response. Okay, and this response text finally I am printing. Okay, now see here, whenever you are typing something, how are you? See, whatever the response from bot you are getting, that is coming from here, response text. Now let me keep a debugger. Okay, see here everyone. Okay, press F5. See, this is coming like this. Okay, now finally, response text. Check here. Hello, how can I assist you? Okay, now if you press F5, hello, how can I assist you? The same output came. Okay, this response text is helping you to display the output. Okay, is that clear for everyone? See, hello, how can I assist you? That is what content. In the JSON object, we're finally displaying what? It's user message. Okay, from where you are getting this user message? From this response text. Is that clear for everyone? Okay, now, now with this, we completed our project one. Any questions? Can I move to the second one now? Because I'm seeing, it's already more than 2.5 hours or something. So that's why. Can I move to the second one quickly? Yeah. So I'm moving into the second one. Quickly, I'll explain. And also, I'll definitely plan for one more session on AI. I can see your interest from so many people and all. I'll request Naresh IT for one more AI session because AI is what? It's like an ocean. We cannot finish in one single session. Okay. And also from tomorrow, our new batch is starting. There also you can learn AML with .NET. Now, let me create second project. That is image generation. Okay. Now see here, everyone. See here, everyone. Uh, Surya, you have to ask Naresh IT. I'll give the email ID. People can ask Naresh IT. They'll give you recording. Okay. Now see here, everyone. I'll quickly go for one more example. Same. Step one, install the NuGet packages. Same NuGet packages. After that, second one, create the controller. Now in the same project, I'll create a new project here. Everyone, please hear from the scratch I'm explaining for the second project. ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. Now click on next. Those who are not aware of .NET completely, this project creation steps may be new to them, but don't worry. If you join our full stack course, you will learn everything there. Okay? Because the .NET full stack students are already aware of all these things. Okay. Now see here, everyone. What is the step one? Now what is the project name here? Rename, copy the project name. And now here, CD space project name. How to run that? So everyone, I'm showing one more time how to install the NuGet packages. CD space project name. Enter. After that, after that, you have to run this command. This one. Okay. 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 Press enter. Now see, installing package is completed, successfully completed. Okay. Now create a controller. Right click, add controller. Now the second project title is image generation. Okay. Now click on add. Now let me take the code from the book again. Okay. Now I want to create a model now. Right click, add class. Just click on add. Okay. See, that is what I'm trying to say. Copy the logic here. Okay. Okay. Now, of course, we have to create what? HTML. Okay, now go to controller. Now here, right click, add view. Raja view empty. Click on add. Okay. Now paste here. Okay. Now I have to add one line in program.cs file here. Okay, this is a singleton. This is kind of design pattern related code. Now copy the AI key again. First, I will show the output. After that, I'll explain the code. Okay. Okay. See here. Now let me explain the code first. After that, I'll explain the code. Sorry. Let me show the output first. After that, I'll explain the code. What is the controller name? Image. Now run this code. Avinash, no, right? This much only. Oh, okay, okay. Let me modify the file name. We got one extra C. Yeah, Avinash, you can mail Naresh IT. They will give you the recording link. I'll give the ID, mail ID. Okay. Now see, now everyone, please see the output. Please, please. Now I'm giving some random text here. Press enter. Wait for some 15-20 seconds. Here, the image got generated automatically. You are seen here. Now, can I show one more output? Okay, here, click on generate. See now this image will change in 20 seconds. because maybe it depends on our internet speed and everything. If you take the higher, subscription things, then you will get the faster response. But for our practice purpose only, we took the low one. We paid very less amount, right? That's why the output will be little slow. See, now what was the text I gave here? A dragon on mountain peak, stormy sky, lightning. It scales concept art, dramatic lighting. See, see, dragon on a hill, lightning, everything is coming or not? Yes or no? Do you guys agree with me? Yes, no? Okay. Okay. So that is what the second project. Okay. Now what exactly be done here? Let me explain the code. Okay. Let me try. Children are playing in playground with our rain. See, whatever you have to generate and you have to train it. Now to generate. Okay, I will explain all your questions in 5 minutes. Please give me 5 minutes time. I will answer every person question and answer. Okay, I'll unmute also. I'll allow you people to unmute. Karthik Mohan, is this the one? I don't know. Right? That's what. So guys, you have any suggestions? Online people, you want to check anything else? So just now, one of your friend asked me to check this output and I opened. A dragon with three heads. Okay, let me try a dragon with three heads. And then rate. See here, it is loading. Here also you are generating images. Please wait. Maybe I missed some of your question and answers. The reason is what? I'm explaining while I'm sharing my screen. I may not see your messages. Please understand. And I'm also running out of the time. So that's the reason I'm going little fast. I'll definitely plan for one more session maybe in future for the project explanation. Yes. Subbu, this is the one you are looking for? A dragon with three heads. Looks beautiful, right? That's what exactly the code we implemented. Okay. Yes, 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 Rupesh. We'll plan for, I mean, not exactly next week, but definitely. Okay, so we'll plan for it. Okay, no, right? Let me explain the code for 5 minutes, and after that, I am ready to answer your questions. Give me just 5 minutes. See, point number one, we created a project. After that, we created one controller. After that, I created a model class. After that, I created a view. See, view code is nothing simple. Whatever the text you are entering, that is what is the text box. Okay. See, input type equal to text and button. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, Shaker, that is also possible, Shaker. Now, see here, everyone. In controller, nothing we implemented, no logic here. Just we are getting the response from this one. What is this one? It's a class. Right click, go to definition. See, this is the class. Here I just passed our API key. Here I have one method called generate image asynchronous. Okay. Now see, here I just kept resolution of the image. What is this one? 1024 into 1024 resolution. Okay. Now, simple, no logic is implemented here. Simple. Whatever the text you are giving prompt, that's what you are sending to image client. What is image client? This OpenAI. You're just sending the input to OpenAI. This is creating one image and generating one URL, image URL. Okay. And finally, same image URL you are returning to home controller. See, image URL. The same image URL you are using in index.cshtml. See, image URL. Okay. This is what exactly we are doing here. Okay. With this, we completed our second project also. Now we are running out of the time. That's the reason I'll wait for 10 minutes for all your question and answers now. Please, you can ask me any question. I'm ready to unmute you people also. If someone wants to raise their hand, I'm ready to unmute. Yes. 3 people raised their hands. Sandeep. Sandeep, you can unmute yourself. Sandeep, you can unmute and speak now. The third project we will discuss in our next sessions. Sandeep, I'm unable to hear you. Santosh, you can. Srikanth, you can.
Hello, sir. This is Srikanth.
Yes, Srikanth.
Sir, actually, I'm having small doubts. So far, whatever the results we are seeing now, so with the Open AI LLM
Right.
model, we are getting that response and showing in the view page. Okay.
Right.
But actually, let's say, for example, in general scenario, okay, I'm creating a party using a JSON object. This JSON object will be having like person name, first name, last name, email address, and mobile phone information.
Okay. Okay.
Only these
Okay.
four objects are there.
Okay.
So with this, with the help of create method, I'm creating the party actually. Okay.
Okay.
But so in my case now, the thing is that each time I don't want to depend on this, means I want to give the structure to the LLM. Okay. So that in a chatbot, let's say for example, if I type create a party with Hyderabad location. So whatever the skeleton is there now, based on that, it has to create a party. Let's say, for example, today someone came and create a party for the Delhi location. So from the Delhi local location, from the live random data, the
I
accurate data,
got it.
it
So now
has to create a party. Will it
see,
possible?
now in that case, we have to train our AI
Yes, sir.
with the dummy data like this. See, customer name, something,
Yes.
something, something.
Yes.
And that Excel sheet you have to upload. Okay. Then what will happen? If you say customer one, then what will happen? Delhi location will come. If you say customer two, then Bangalore location will come. So like this. So that's what I told, right? We have to train our using our machine language, we have to train our chatbot. What we need to tell boss, whenever he is pressing one, please go with the Delhi only. Whenever you are pressing two, you have to go with Bangalore. Like that, we have to train. Actually, that is our third example, but unfortunately, we are running out of time and we did not explain it.
Okay, means we can train the LLM model based on the structure
Requirement.
skeleton part as well, right?
Yes, correct. 100%.
Okay, and one more question, sir. So right now you are covering along with the .NET full stack
Core.
course with AML, right?
Right.
So are you going to concentrate, means now, targeting mostly for freshers or below
all
2 years, 3 years?
all kind of experience. See, in my session some people are 17 18 years experience people are joining, fresher, and also 5 years, 3 years, 10 years. In this session also now so many 10 plus years of experience people also joined.
Okay, so the project which you are going to explain, so
Hmm.
all these projects are like you are going to start from the scratch, sir, or the existing
M-
project only you are going to explain.
no, -1 from zero.
Okay. Okay, then fine, sir. Because actually, before I came to this session, I have been joined a couple of various other sessions as well, some
Okay,
different institutes. But the thing is that this is where I got stuck actually. Means now I need from the scratch actually, from zero I would start. That's why.
correct. So initially we'll start with C sharp, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. After that, SQL Server, MVC, ASP.NET, MVC Core, Windows Application, ADO.NET, Entity Framework, .NET Core, .NET Core MVC, .NET Core Web API, and then this one, whatever AI ML with .NET Core.
Expected 6 months, of course. This one.
Yes, correct, 100%. But you will
Okay,
go parallelly.
fine, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so parallelly means you can finish in 4 months also, maybe. If you attend tuition, see, suppose recently my MVC batch started. Okay, so my C sharp batch was finished actually. So before finishing their C sharp only, I asked them to join parallelly my MVC. So those
MVC
people
CORE.
will finish, yes, correct. But for now, it's not possible to you guys because C sharp now it will start. Once my 9 AM batch is completed, maybe MVC will start. So parallelly, you can finish in 4 to 5 months.
At what time it has started, sir? Your MVC CORE batch?
No, that is not possible now because it's already 1 month or 40 days completed. So
Oh,
tomorrow 7:30 batch you can join. You will get all the details. Okay,
fine, sir. Thank you.
cool. Thanks. So other people. So those who ever raised hand, Ajay, Sandeep,
Sir,
Santosh.
sir, this
Who
is
is?
Santosh. Can I ask my
Yeah,
question?
please, Santosh.
Okay, the session was good. I liked it. My question is like that. Actually, I am doing online courses in Naresh IT for C Sharp and ASP.NET. So actually, I am doing that. I don't know whether these kinds of chapters are means technologies are covered in that. So, is there any alternative that I can join this AI/ML later, or
No, so
is
you
are
are
there
for which batch? My
specific?
batch only, Santosh.
No, no, I'm not doing at your batch. I'm doing 11 AM batch and 9 AM batch, two batches parallel I'm doing for full stack.
Okay, Santosh, you can join 7:30 AM class tomorrow. We can discuss on it.
Okay, because I guess in my curriculum it is not covered. That
No,
is
no,
my
see,
guess.
no,
Yeah.
you don't need to pay any fees for the demos and all. It's okay, right? You know, right? For demos, you don't need to
Yes.
pay any fees,
Yes.
and
But
we can
but
discuss on it. Hmm.
okay. But later, suppose I want to do the only specific those things because this course duration is much longer, no, 6 months like that. So if
Hmm.
I want to do only that AI/ML related module, so is there any chances or provision to attend only that module? That's my question.
Yeah, NareshIT will always, inform the students when which module is going to start. So
Okay.
you have to check it and you have to join.
But in your curriculum, this will be the separate module in full stack.
Yes, yes. Mostly
Okay.
with MVC, we will deal with that. Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay.
mm.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
That's was
yeah.
question.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Santosh. Yeah. Sandeep, Ajay, Shekhar, Gauri, Nath, Nikhil, Rajkumar, Tushar. So I just allowed you people to talk.
Hello, Vishwa sir. So,
Eh,
are we
Tushar,
creating the agent as well in this?
sorry, sir. Can you come again?
Uh, are we creating the agent? A- a-
Oh, right. So we
AI
are not,
agents?
no, we are not
Agents.
creating any AI agent.
Okay, okay. So,
So we used
uh,
open AI agent only.
only we
So
are consuming the agents that already in the market.
perfect, correct.
Okay, okay.
So see, creating or building AI agent will be very difficult, and from scratch we need to do means it will take so much time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, if it is a simple one-liner, that's okay. But if you want to build from zero, it will
Hmm.
to top level, it will take so much time. But see, our session time will definitely not enough and all. That's why.
So no, not in this session, but the project that the 6 months now we are discussing in that, are we creating the agents?
Agents creation, see, I can give some idea. I'll help you with my real-time experience levels and all.
Okay.
But that depends sometimes. See, even so, 6 months or 5 months course means what? We have to start from C sharp from scratch to the
Only
top.
okay.
Yes,
Got
yes,
it.
yes,
So
yes.
if we okay, so if we only target for the AI one in that means the model, we can get this
Yeah, you
information.
will get to know more details. Tushar, and tomorrow. So you can join that session tomorrow. I can definitely help you with the details because so we have only 5-6 minutes of time today, right? So you
Okay.
just join there. You will understand what I'm going to explain. Everything I'll explain in that session.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Next person. See, please make
Hi
it
sir,
fast. Okay.
my name is Shakir.
Yes, Shekhar, please.
You are creating the multiple controllers instead of creating multiple controllers
Hmm.
based on input. I want to display like if you want to user
Yeah,
like test,
100%.
I want to display tests.
Even you can
Yes.
use one single controller for performing all the options.
How should I handle that? If
But
input
I
was
create,
in
see,
single one.
because why I created multiple controllers means maybe some people will get confusion if I create a one controller. From that controller, if I do all the operations, some people will get confused. Okay, but my 100% yes, in a single controller you can perform everything.
My point
Hello.
is how should I handle that? Whether the input is image, I want to display image only. Whether
Yeah,
the input is
100.
text.
See, in that open AI only, you will have the different methodologies there. So if you want image related, image will come. If you want audio related, I have to call the audio method. If I want to call video method, then video will come. Based upon the user input, yes, you can. So simple, else if condition or switch case. So if you go with a switch case there, based upon your input, you will call that particular API. Currently, what I called here image generation I have called, right? Similarly, you can call the other one also. You see what I done here, generate image async. Similarly, you can call the video async or audio async, everything. You got my
How
Hello.
point,
should I
Shekhar?
trace the input? How should I trace the input? Whether the
That
input
that
is image or
that
text?
yes, that see, you have mentioned what generate image. We have mentioned in our input only, right? Clearly we have mentioned that, right? Do you agree? So same way you will say what, please generate a audio message of Narendra Modi, then it will generate audio message.
Okay.
So simple, Shekhar, just based upon your input only, automatically it will take care, because that's what AI. You got my point, or still you have doubt?
Oh, okay.
Cool. Yeah. Next, someone is saying
Yeah, hi,
hi.
sir. Yeah, hi, sir. Ajay here.
Hey, Ajay.
Am I audible? Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, I'm just little bit confused actually.
Please,
Sorry
please,
to say
please.
that, but I'm currently working. The session is really good actually. And for me, like I'm currently working with .NET and have good experience on .NET background, right? Around 10 years, right? And just want to move to AI. Like,
Mm-hmm.
so my question is like, should I stick with .NET, ML.NET, and all those packages which are involved to implement the AI in .NET itself and explore the things, or should I need to shift to something else like full stack AI, Gen AI, agentic AI, data science, as those are demanding right now in the market. So, what do you suggest, sir? Just guide me on that.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
for the
yeah.
future point of view, should I need to stick with .NET and explore the things which are related with the AI, or should I need to move and change my line to full stack AI, something data science, as data engineer, and Azure Databricks, something.
One thing I can tell you, Ajay, based upon my experience, see, I'm also a .NET developer with 11 plus years of
Mhm.
experience. I was with Microsoft client for 5 years. I was with Accenture, TCS, and so many other organizations. Currently, I'm also working as a technical lead. See, very simple, Ajay. You see, you cannot use AI directly. Okay,
Mhm.
you will take help of technologies like Python, or you
Mhm.
will take help of Java, .NET, all these things. Even so many .NET projects also using AI. See, I just proved that, right? So by using .NET, I am generating one image. By using .NET, I am generating some chatbot. What does it mean? So definitely AI can be used in .NET projects 100% for sure. So there is nothing wrong with .NET with Azure. So Azure also having one AI now, Azure AI. So the future will be definitely very good and very high. You don't need to worry on it. Just stick to your .NET basics, and you can use all the AI technologies, integrate with your projects. Nothing will happen for sure.
Okay. So we don't need to worry about like to do all those things. Data bricks, data engineer, and all those things are in
Yeah,
the
that is
market
for
right now.
database,
Um,
right?
mhm,
Databricks or
mhm,
Python
mhm, mhm,
Databricks or
mhm.
data
It is
science and
complete a different line, but yeah,
correct.
that's most of the peoples are saying that these are the demanding technologies, and the future are in those technologies itself, not in .NET or something. So just worried about like what as what's going in the market. Based on that, should I need to move to other, or should I need to stick with .NET and explore the AI related things in itself?
Hello,
Yeah. It's okay. Okay. Ajay.
Nanalidara.
Hey,
So,
Raj.
yeah, one more question,
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
okay.
That I want to implement some of the like vulnerability tracking things in my
విజయవాడ
project. Like
విజయవాడకి వెళ్ళి
some of
మన
the
బీరం
C
కూడా
sharp
ఉన్నాయి కానీ
files
కాకపోతే ఈవినింగ్ ఉంది
have
బాబు నాకు కార్ అది
vulnerabilities,
సెవెన్
like
థర్టీకి ఉంది అది
to detect the anomalies, right? So, can we
నేను
do that
రెసిడెల్
in
కుక్
like
ఏం దొరికి వెళ్ళి పిక్కలు
using
కూడా దగ్గర
ML.NET or something?
Yeah, so but
హలో
you have like Sonar Cube,
ఇప్పుడు
Fortify
బస్సు
Code
వచ్చినా కూడా
Analysis,
ఎంత
Web
లేదు
Inspect,
ఆడికెళ్ళి 500
or
మళ్ళీ
Vera
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి
Code,
ఇక్కడ ఫోన్ 1000 అవుతుంది.
Aikido Scan.
అంటే
So
ఒక
so
1000
many are
రూపాయలు
there,
సేవింగ్స్
right? You
ఉంటుంది
can
అంతే
use
కదా,
them. Still, you can use them.
మరి చెప్పదు
But in
రాదు.
your project also, if you want to add them,
దానికి
yeah,
ఫోన్ చేసి
still yes.
భయపడకని చెప్పి సరేనా.
So,
సరే.
using ML.NET, we can implement those things, right?
Right.
Okay. Thanks, sir. Thanks.
Cool. Okay. So Raj Kumar, yes, you have a question?
Yes, actually, I waited for some couple of weeks for to full stack development course,
Hmm.
including ML and AI. So, is there any way to attend this AI ML course?
So that's what I'm saying, right? Tomorrow morning, 7:30, we have a .NET demo session. You can join it.
Yeah, same time we have another module going on. Which one? So,
Which one?
yeah, front-end technologies, HTML, JavaScript.
Yeah, it's okay, right? You can still able to manage. See, that my answer is priority matters. Which is priority for you? You have to go with it. I cannot comment on that, but yes.
Okay.
So hmm,
Currently, your module is MVC with AIML.
no, that is .NET Core full stack with AML related features.
Okay.
AML features will be included in that. That's what I can tell you.
Okay. Current session is going on AIML.
No, tomorrow only it will start the new batch.
Okay.
Hmm.
Not C sharp. Only.
No, it's C sharp only. C sharp only. It will start with C sharp. So for .NET, for anyone, C sharp is the starting point, right?
Yes, C sharp already I attended almost 20-25 classes in other mentor.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking, is there any way I can join or
Join
AML class?
tomorrow, demo will speak, Raj.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So online, anyone have? So Sham Sundar in Java, we can create automatically to implement open. See, nothing, Sham Sundar, any technology, you cannot automatically get the AI features. Okay, definitely you have to use them. Okay. Gaurav, please tell me. Okay, so anyone have any more questions online?
Very good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Gaurav, please.
So I have a doubt, like after the completing of like MVC,
Mm,
MVC ASP.NET Core,
mm,
when we deploy our application on Azure,
mm,
so what are the after path that we can do after the full stack .NET Core? Like suppose I have learned ASP.NET Core
mm,
and little bit about deploying application on Azure cloud.
mm, mm, mm.
After that, sir, what should be path I need to go further in an ASP.NET only?
Maybe Microsoft Azure and Azure DevOps.
Azure DevOps. Okay, sir, could you please tell me a little bit about Azure DevOps? And I didn't that much know, like.
That's what CI/CD pipelines and all the information related to Azure, Kubernetes. So many things are there, Azure DevOps. So
Okay, so one more thing, like in curriculum, will
mm,
you teach design patterns also, like architecture
yes,
pattern?
yes. Design pattern, solid principles, asynchronous await, all these things.
Okay, other design patterns too, sir, singleton, proxy, like this.
See, repository pattern I'll explain, singleton I'll explain, and some other patterns also I'll try to cover.
Okay, and what are the projects that we can develop after completing the course?
I'm giving some 7-8 projects, so my suggestion I can explain in that session only about all the projects and all, because see, the purpose of this session is different, right? That's why.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thanks much. Okay, Sai Madhuri. Yeah, tell me, Sai Madhuri. You want to speak? Yeah, tell me. I don't have knowledge on ASP.NET and MS will teach from scratch. Yes. Sorry, madam, your voice is not so clear. Madam, my voice is not so clear. Yes. So we'll start from scratch, 0 level. The answer for your question is that. Saras, CI/CD pipeline, Saras, we'll discuss in our 9 a.m. session, okay? See, regarding tomorrow demo session, we can speak about that details in tomorrow session only, okay? Nikhil, tell me, man, you want to speak something?
Yeah, hello, sir. Nikhil says that. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
yes.
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm working professional. Actually, I already work with .NET plus generative AI POCs. So
Mm.
nowadays, I'm looking for the job change also. But some people they are asking for .NET plus generative AI requirements. Okay. So my question is, I already work with Python, but different Python platform with .NET. Okay. But my question is right directly means we have that much control with .NET. We can use the libraries like Python, something kind of this.
Okay, simple, sir. Python is using Visual Studio only. It's a third-party language supported by .NET, right?
Like pandas, numpy, like this library is available in Python, right?
Right.
So
So now when third party library is supporting from Visual Studio means what? So that is having more scope means what? Obviously our C# also will have more scope with Python with AI/ML related.
Mhm. Why? Because nowadays client is they are asking for create the POCs. Once we have POCs good, they are asking for the make it as like a client project or something. Yes,
Right.
we are working only the like POC based only right now. But
It's
I
okay.
want to go with .NET plus Generative AI like this combination.
There is nothing wrong in that. Still, the market is with .NET with AI also is still there, and Python is also see Python. So few people are using Python, few people are using Java, few people are using .NET. So that
Mhm.
is separate. The market is divided. That's it. Everything is having scope. That's what I can tell you.
Mhm. Yeah, okay.
Okay, cool. Any more questions? Anyone? See this QA guys, you people are typing there, but I'm unable to respond. I'm unable to see your messages. Okay. Harsh, so please conduct one similar session on Azure Cloud also. Okay, Harsh. Okay, any more questions? Fine. Can I end the session here? Anyone have questions? Thank you, Shrikant, for that compliment. Fine. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. And some people dropped after completion of the session. I would like to thank everyone and Naresh IT for the opportunity. So to share the knowledge on AI. So definitely we'll plan for a few more sessions in our future also. Okay. I'm ending the session here.